Hi, I'm going to show you how my Compound Semaglutide comes packaged. This is the third time I've ordered from this place. It's all frozen. I haven't always gotten it in this kind of box, but I'm going to open it for you. But it's always come with an ice pack. You can see. Comes with an ice pack. It's still really cold. Well, kind of melted, but it's cold. Now, see in there, the little FedEx envelope, and it's a cooler. All right, so let me take this out. So here's the envelope. Really cold. Let's see what's in here. Got my scissors again. And it's the third time I've ordered from this specific place. Let me see. Alright. Not gonna, anyway, this is a container. Oh, my alarm. This is a container. It has a name on it, so I don't want to show that, but this is the semaglutide. Okay. Put that down. Of course, my alarm lights going off. And they send you syringes. Anyway, I really recommend this place. I'm not affiliated or anything, but here is the info. I've had good results with them. I've lost like 25 pounds so far, and then I've been off it for a few months, and I just started again. I just thought I'd let everybody know. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Like I said, I'm not affiliated or anything. I've had success, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day, all.